Sometimes traveling is more about journey than the destination. Our trip to Hogenakkal is one such experience where the things have turned out exactly opposite of what we have planned. We chose to ride through the village and forest area instead of boring highways. We happened to pass this place and all of a sudden I felt nostalgic. Apache RTR 180, my first bike. It was made here. I share countless memories with it. I still remember the first day of delivery, first long ride I went on it, and the first accident and many other things during my journey with it for almost 5 years and close to 55,000 kilometers. Talking about the first, today is going to be my drone's first flight. We have reached Hogenakkal and it's quite chaotic. Due to heavy rains in the monsoon, the river has overflown. The cops have closed the entrance and not allowing anyone to reach Waterfalls. Thanks for watching this video, and please do like, share and subscribe to Travel Buddy. Follow me on Instagram for most recent travel updates. We'll see you guys in the next vlog.